TheNubianPrincess, aka Shy, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing the rate me from 1 to 10 on Monkey. I'm low-key like nervous a little. First, I don't know if I'm getting on at the right time or not, because late at night it be too many freaks out and they be doing all this crazy stuff. But then it's kind of early, like it's 11:46. I don't want to be asking no baby kids to vote me. I mean to rate me. So we're gonna see how this go. We're gonna see. And they better not be disrespectful, cause so hopefully Monkey like vibing right now, and we gonna get into the video. I started screen recording and I'm getting on Monkey. Ooh, bounce. Oh man, they skipped me. Cameron, he's 16. I forgot what age I put on here. Hi.
Oh, no.
Can you rate me from 1 to 10, please? You give me a 5? You give me a 5? Did he just say he gave me a 5? Boy? Gabe. He's 17. Right? Gabe better not skip me. He skipped me. I knew he was gonna skip me. How I knew? He skipped me too. Dot. Oh, they playing the skipping game. Listen. Hi. Can you rate me from 1 to 10, please?
0. I'm playing.
Okay, you're not gonna rate. What's wrong with them? They don't hear me saying rate me. Damn. Hi.
What's up?
Can you add time, please? Okay, I'm doing a YouTube video, so can you rate me from 1 to 10?
On what?
Just rate me like if I'm pretty or if I'm ugly.
Ugly?
I'm ugly?
10.
I'm ugly as hell?
Like a 10.
I'm a 10. Aw, thank you.
Now I'm fucking with you. I'm fucking with you. You're not ugly.
So, what's my number?
Let me see your body.
That's not what we talking about. We
Not like that. Like I'm saying, like, just put your camera on.
It's not that complicated. Look at my face and you gonna give me a number. That's it.
I'll give you that 10.
You gonna give me a 10? Aw, thank you. Add me as a friend.
You got a pretty smile.
Thank you. Oh, y'all nice today. Yo, I just got a 10. And he said my smile pretty. I'm feeling myself. All right. Right. All right. Next one. I want to see his face. He look a little like. Hi.
How you doing?
I'm good, and you? Can you give me a rate from 1 to 10?
20,000.
20,000. Oh, thank you. You gonna be in my YouTube video.
Okay. What's your name?
Chun-li. Oh, baby, too late. You talking about what's your name, baby? You should have said at time. Hi.
Hola.
Can you give me a rate from 1 to 10? I know a little bit of Spanish. ¿Cómo te llama? He's speaking Spanish to me. Like, I know a little bit. Hi.
What's up?
Can you give me a rate from 1 to 10?
I'll give you a 9.
Thank you. You're going to be in my YouTube video, okay?
I bet.
I just got a 9. Y'all. They making me feel myself. All right, this Andrew, and he's 16. And he skipped me. Hi. Can you give me a rate from 1 to 10, please? $10? I think that was a 10. He just put all his fingers up. Hi.
Hello.
Can you give me a rate from 1 to 10, please? Not boule. Hey. No, I asked them a simple question and they giving me all this extra feedback. Talk about some sac passe. He probably not even Haitian. That's the funny part. Hi. Can you give me a rate from 1 to 10, please? 8. 8. Hi. Can you give me a rate from 1 to 10, please?
10.
Thank you. You're gonna be in my YouTube video. Hi. Can you give me a rate from 1 to 10, please? Thank you. You're gonna be in my YouTube video. Yeah. Thank you. Y'all so mean.
No, you cute. No, you cute.
Okay, okay. Hi. Can you give me a rate from 1 to 10, please?
4.
I'm a 4? They disrespectful. Hi.
What's up?
Can you give me a rate from 1 to 10, please?
Damn short 10.
Thank you. You're gonna be in my YouTube video.
Alright, send me the link.
Alright. He just said damn short 10. Period on baby. Period. Hi. You gonna give me a 6?
Anytime.
You gonna give me a 6? I'm ugly?
I didn't say that.
He just said, okay, well, you on my YouTube video, so say hi.
Alright, hi. You like a 7.
I'm a what?
7.
A 7?
Yeah, 7.5.
7.5? I'll take that. Hi.
Niggas trap with a busted officer. You a fan?
Thank you. You're gonna be on my YouTube video.
Yo, for real?
Yeah. Hi.
What's up?
Can you give me a rate from 1 to 10, please? Thank you. You're gonna be on my YouTube video.
Alright, thank you.
Alright, we got the little Chicos in the bit. Hi. Can you give me a rate from 1 to 10, please?
Definitely like a 9.
Thank you. You're gonna be in my YouTube video. Say hi. He said I'm definitely a 9. Like, that mean I'm that babo, period. Hi.
You a solid 5.
I'm a solid 5? What? That mean he being mean or them other people just being nice. Hi. I'm an 8. Alright, thank you. You're gonna be on my YouTube video. Say hi. Yeah, baby, you was making me do a little bit too much talking. Hi. I'm a 10. Oh, thank you. You gonna be on my YouTube video. Well, you not showing nothing, so how you gonna be on my YouTube video? Boy, that concludes this video. I didn't even know like how this was gonna turn out, but actually I like it. It won't stop recording. Oh, alright. It stopped. So like I was saying, I really enjoyed this video. Like I watched other people's on and I was like, hopefully they vibing. I got a whole bunch of 10s, 9s, and 8s. Y'all, that mean I'm pretty. And them other people, they was just being disrespectful. Talking about some, one said solid 5. Like, anyways, remember to like, comment, and subscribe on this video. If you ain't gang, then you lame. You better come to this side. This the lit side. Thank you for watching and stay safe.